In this video, you're going to get a window into how to use Explore GPTs, these custom GPTs that are sitting right there in your ChatGPT right now. I had Karen Stone on my mastermind group for building digital marketing VA teams, and she was showing us how she's using them with her VA staff and then some different fun use cases for us real estate agents. So I hope you enjoy this. If you want to learn more about what we're doing to build VA digital marketing teams, go down and book an appointment with Sphere Rocket, my partners in the hiring process, and let me know how I can help you. Put a comment down below. I look forward to hearing from you. Have you explored GPTs and found anything that you liked?
Oh, yes. Oh, my God.
Show everybody that, just because I think a lot of people are not doing that. So the Explore GPTs button.
Oh, my God. So I have TED Talk Writer GPT.
Oh,
that I
you
use
do?
for
Nice.
my TED Talks. I have one for my comedy. Like literally, you can put recipes. There's all these recipes, right? So let's just click into this one and start a chat. And I need, this is one click and it's all, so somebody else uploaded all their content into this. So it's kind of like Tom AI, right? Like Tom AI is just
Right. That's exactly
he's
what it is.
uploading all these things. I use.
How are you doing that with your Canva? I have not bridged the gap with ChatGPT and Canva yet and played around with the Canva AI yet.
Canva is a tricky one because I think they changed something about the GPT. So I would be in my normal thread and then I would do @Canva to like bring in the Canva GPT. And for some reason, the link wasn't really working. So I'm not quite sure. So this is my first time using Canva in a while. Let's see. I mean, again, that's just a commonly asked questions. Let's see if the plugin works.
So is it supposed to take the text from the GPT and then have it ready for Canva? Like where it creates the document in Canva? Is that the intent?
Yes. So what I would normally do is okay, here's the February newsletter idea. I'm just going to swing back to this.
Today's episode is sponsored by my favorite virtual assistant hiring company, Sphere Rocket VA. I've created a great relationship with them, so I'm very proud to offer a sponsorship link for those of you like me who are looking to build their digital marketing team. I currently have 3 virtual assistants, one to help me manage my coaching business and all the admin, and then 1 video editor, and then 1 to help me with my digital marketing. If you are looking to build a nice little team, Sphere Rocket VA is absolutely worthy of your choice. Once you schedule an appointment, the link down below, I will shoot you over an email with all of my resources and the information to the VA Digital Marketing Mastermind that you can come join. So I look forward to connecting with you and helping you build your digital marketing VA team.
This is how my brain works. So create in @Canva. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's working. Create an Instagram post on the Sundance Festival with applicable images. Like, let's see what it gives me. So now it's calling up Canva.
Yeah, talking to the chat. Yeah, that's cool.
Yep.
Sick.
Now, I'm not a huge fan of the output of AI and visuals. I'm just not. I've tested it enough. I'm not a huge fan, but you can see for somebody who's just looking for something basic, this is what it gave me. Totally fine, right? And then I go into this and then it opens up my Canva and then I can go make edits to it. So going back to ChatGPT, can you help me with caption ideas? Now, GPT it's smart enough to know, like, it kind of triggers like what you're going to ask next. And there it all is. So you can have your VA front load a lot of these, say like, okay, coming up is Sundance. We're going to create the visual. And now I'm going to give you the caption, lock and load into whatever schedule you have.
And this can be done even if it's not a personal GPT, just in ChatGPT with the Canva.
Right. And I believe that you only get access to it if you have the paid version. But as long as you have these Explore GPTs, you know.
It's there. I saw that there the other day. That's why I was like, wait, what? And that's why
You've never used, oh my, no, this is like, my coach for everything. Here's if you want to write, your CV or images and stuff, not a fan of. Video GPT by Veed, I have not explored that. That should be on my list. Excel, this would probably be a good one for anybody who doesn't understand prompts and stuff. But oh yeah, I use this for my comedy writing. Like there's literally a stand-up comedy.
This is blowing my mind. Thank you for showing. For the whole hour, I'm like, oh my word.
Like, it's right here. Like, literally anybody can get access to these things. So anything that you're thinking about, there's probably a GPT that already exists. I got in very early through the AI certification that I did. This guy, Nick Krem, started Krem Institute for AI.
From Neil Diamond musical?
No, his name is Nick Krem.
Oh, it's similar. Okay.
My listing buddy. Oh, there we go. Okay. So this guy has worked for all of the top companies around. And I love this GPT because you could go into this, write your listing description, and it's got all of this stuff pre-programmed in it where you don't even have to provide the prompts. You just click some of these buttons or one prompt. I've used this, like, just flow through with me here. You're about to list a home. You copy the entire description, all of the facts and features of the home into this GPT. You then tell it, create my listing description and all my marketing for this listing. And it will do it in one click.
Pretty dope.
And I'm sure I have an example of it somewhere. I have it in my, it's more than 30 days old.
So it's My Listing Buddy. My
Listing Buddy.
Yeah, My Listing Buddy. It's a funny name.
Right?
Listing
Yeah,
Buddy.
this is incredible, Karen. Thanks for sharing.